Hi guys, Terry here. I am playing with my Sprocket, and today I want to show you what I really love about it. I bought the Sprocket because I wanted to be able to print in a journal. We're going to be traveling soon, and I want to write about my trip as we go along. And I've got my planner. There's many different types of planners out there. But my idea is that I want to be able to take pictures, print off a little one, journal about it, and just make it so that when I come back and scrapbook the trip, I'm writing that much more about the trip and remembering all those little fun things. So what I love about the Sprocket is this is a little carrying case that I got with it, and I'll have links to this stuff if you're interested on my website. But it comes with little packs of paper, little 2x3 paper. You load it inside the little printer. There's no ink. The ink is on the paper, and this heats the paper, and that's how it prints. But it comes with a charger, and then you load the paper face down inside the printer. There's a little blue card in the pack of paper that pops out when you turn the printer on. On that paper is a barcode that lets it know what type of chemicals are on the paper and what it needs to do to print on that. So I'm really excited to use it. The carrying case will hold several packs of paper and the cable, the charging cable. And you simply download the app on your phone or your tablet, and you connect through Bluetooth, and then that lets you print these little pictures. The paper is sticky on the back, so I'm really excited to be able to travel with this, print, journal, and record the trip. So let me show you how the install works.
All right, after you've downloaded the app, open it up, and it's going to ask you to enable the location and the photo gallery. Turn on your Sprocket, load the paper, and it gives you a reminder here that the barcode goes down, and then we're simply clicking the next button to get connected to it. It found it very quickly on mine, and then it asks if you want to pair. Press the pair button. And then here's where it lets you rename it, and I renamed mine to Terry Sprocket, and then it quickly paired. So I sent a photo to the Sprocket, and this is what it looks like. I tried printing this one, and it gave me a warning that the picture was not high quality. So I just wanted to show you that you can edit the photos, you can brighten them. There's the different styles, like you can put sepia on. And then you can add borders, and there's tons of cute borders. There's lots of little graphics. You can put little doodles on it and size it, and then you can connect to the other platforms.
Okay, so now I'll just show you printing with the application. I've got it installed on my tablet here since I'm using my phone to record the video. But we'll just pick one of the pictures here, send it to the printer, and I want to just show you how fast it prints. It takes it a little bit of time, so I won't speed this up. It says it's sending it to the Sprocket. So we'll see how long this takes here. You can tell it's working. It's got a little humming sound to it. And there it's coming out. So it's taken about 30 seconds. And then you've got your picture. This peels off. You can put this in your planner or your scrapbook. You could print this size to scrapbook with. With this small size, you could print a lot on the scrapbook. Ah. All right, let me bend it. Okay, it takes longer to get the backing off than the printing of the photo. It's because the camera's rolling. It'd be nice if there was if it was like the label maker, that it had a slit down the back. There it is, there it is. And then you've got that sticky, and you can put it inside your book. So, really cute. But yeah, here's another one I printed. You could scrapbook with it. I think the quality is not ideal. That or it's just because it's a small photo. So I don't think it's an awesome quality. So I think I would still print them on a better printer. But for my purposes, I want to print it and then quickly journal in the book to remember the trips. So there's the HP Sprocket. Like I said, I've got links on my website to valuable information that I found about the printer. And I thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. And if you have any other questions about the printer, put it down in the comments and I will research and reply to you. So thanks, guys.